Hi guys, Carly Voinski, and today we are doing something totally different. So recently I found out about an app from one of my friends, and it's the Influencer app. And basically what it is you go in, you sign up, you make an account, you answer a whole bunch of questions, you kind of review some products that you like, and if you're lucky or chosen or whatever, they actually will send you a box of free merch, free product of all different types of stuff based off of the things that you like and your personality and all those types of things. And then you get it for free and you get to review it and you get to check it out. So never in a million years did I actually think I was gonna get a box, but I just got one. So I'm really stoked about it. So we're going to do an unboxing. And when you go on the app, you can answer questions about everything. You can answer questions about makeup, health, fitness, financial. You can answer questions about your pets, right? Like you can answer questions about food, all sorts of stuff, and they send you everything. So I did it. I answered a whole bunch of questions, and I was just really bored one night sitting on the couch and doing it while I was like binging Netflix or something. So we are going to open it. So I did already cut the seal, but this is the box that got shipped in, and we are going to open and see what is inside. I'm already dropping things. It is the Let It Snow VoxBox. So I'm super excited about this. And now I did receive all of these items complimentary. I didn't pay for any of them, and they are for testing purposes. So what's cool is, so you get this card, and then on the other side it tells you about all the different products, it looks like, that are in here, and it tells you their retail price. So the first thing, it looks like there's 4 different brands of items that were sent. Okay, there's some interesting stuff in here. Okay, so can we just talk about the first thing? It looks like this is from Barkbox. Okay, this is from Barkbox. It's Young Grinch and Max's Antlers, and it's for your dog. It's for your pet. So this is the young Grinch right here. Can you hear that? For your dog. Oh, is my dog gonna come? No, he's so lazy. He's seriously, he's sitting on a chair right now, not coming home. He doesn't even care. Okay, so you have this. That's probably really loud in the video, sorry. Okay, and then Antlers for your dog, I guess. Max's Antlers. Take a picture, it says. How do you... Okay, I'll have to insert something with my dog in here because I don't understand how. I don't understand how. You do it. Because don't the antlers go like this? There's no picture. Oh no, it goes like this. Oh, right, because it's based off the grit, so it goes like this on your dog's head. Oh, so then I guess it goes around, and then this goes underneath their neck. Okay, so, okay, I just did my hair too. So it goes like that around your dog. I'll show you what Jack looks like with this and if he's even into it. So that'll be my review of that. I mean, I like the idea. I think it's super cute. This is just adorable, but apparently the sound in itself is not interesting to my dog. And I'm wondering if he'll rip it apart or not. It does seem really sturdy, so I don't know. Sorry for squeaking that. That's like the worst, right? Am I being the worst right now? Okay, so there you go. You have those antlers. And the retail price for that is $10. It's, oh, for like Barkbox. I guess it's like a monthly delivery of stuff for your pets. Sweet. Do any of you guys use that? Because I have not done that. My monthly is I get Oopsie delivered to me. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, okay. This from Masquebar. So I am super into the face masks. These, is this a paper one? No, it's a peel off one. Charcoal and 24 karat gold mask. Clarifies, illuminates, and refines. It says it's a peel off mask. So if you follow me on Instagram, my handle is @ShortyCarly. It's amazing, right? I've had that handle, like, I've had that since AIM was a thing. Since AOL Instant Messenger, that was my high school Instant Messenger name. So when I signed up for Instagram a long time ago, I made it Shorty Carly because I didn't think I should put my name, and now I don't want to change it. So that's what we're stuck with. So Shorty Carly, if you follow me, I will show you my review on this. Although I have used their stuff before, and I've always really liked it. Okay, so then the next one is, let me see, I'm just gonna pull out whatever is here. Okay, so they sent me, and you know what, it's really cool, like this is like a full size, like I didn't get sample sizes of stuff, which is really cool. So this is the Gold Bond Cracked Skin Relief Fill and Protect Cream. Can you see that? Okay, so here's the thing, I would never buy this for myself, but I would definitely try it. I actually think I'm gonna have my husband try it because he works with his hands a lot. It says it lasts through hand washing. So skin protecting cream, this is $5.99. It says it's a targeted treatment that precisely fills in dry cracks with a thick layer of skin nourishing cream to provide relief and help make skin look healthy again. I'm all about that. Let's just try it, right? We'll open it up. Okay, so again, that's how big it is. Okay, so let's see what the tip is like on it. It does have a really small tip. All right, I'm just gonna use like a little bit because knowing my luck, it'll be super thick and creamy and then I won't be able, I'm just gonna do that much and then I won't be able to get it off my hands. Have you ever done that and it just gets all over the place? Like, oh, hello. Okay, so, oh, it said like to like be precise about it, right? So I'll try to like put it like on my nails. I guess I should follow the directions if I'm gonna actually like review it properly. It's very thick. It's not watery at all. So for people who probably have like really dry skin, my hands are not dry right now, maybe later on in the winter. But for people who have really dry skin, I just put a little bit more kind of by my cuticles over here. I'm just gonna like test it out. It probably helps out. I have to imagine, right? Okay, moving on. Okay, and then the last item in the box. Okay, I'm really excited about this because it's a huge full-size can of Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. It's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. Ooh. Okay, so dry shampoo, if you guys aren't using dry shampoo, you're missing out on so much goodness in the world. I just want to smell it. I just kind of like, oh. Okay, so I have to figure out how to, oh, it's like hard to, it's not very sensitive. It smells really good. Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. It smells, if you use this in your hair, oh my gosh, your hair's gonna smell so good. Oh, I love that so much. How amazing that this is seriously a full can. Like, do you see that? That's amazing. Okay, and here's the best part about it. No sulfates. Like none of the parabens, none of that stuff that's horrible for your hair. I'm like super, 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 super stoked about this. Okay, I did not do it right. I have to shake vigorously and then hold 8 to 10 inches away. Whatever, we all know how to do this, right? Oh, it smells really good. Okay, I'm totally gonna rock this out. I love dry shampoo. And you know what the thing is that this is bigger than, what is the other brands I have? I definitely have a Monet, Monet, whatever it's called. I have one of those dry shampoos. And then I also have the, oh, what's the one that everybody uses? You probably know, whatever. I have one of those too. But I'm gonna start using this. And I'm super excited about it. How much does this thing go for? $6.99. What do I pay at Ulta for my other one? I feel like it's around the same price. $6.99. It doesn't say where you can get it. So those are the items that came in the Influencer box, the VoxBox. It's the winter one. I'm excited about it. So we have this, which smells amazing. I'm sure it's gonna be great. I'm super, super excited to be just adding this to my routine and using it. I will be posting on Instagram about this guy. So if you don't follow me on Instagram already, why not follow me? It's a lot of fun. I'll follow you back. at Shorty Carly. It's great. This is still, see, I can still feel it. It's like really, it's very long lasting because I can still feel that there's something on my hands. My hands don't feel sticky. You can tell that there's something there, but it's not leaving any kind of residue on anything. Cool. I'll give that to my husband and he will try it out. He's also on Instagram, but I'm not gonna share his handle because he's low key. He's not high key like us over here. Okay, should we try one more time to see if Jack will come? Let's try it out. Sorry. I got nothing. Okay, well, that was the VoxBox for winter. I guess they call it the Let It Snow VoxBox. That's what that is. So again, I got all of these items complimentary to try out, to share with you guys. I do think the antlers are gonna be super cute. I'm gonna try to put them on my dog and see how that goes. Hopefully I would have already inserted it into the video, which is like super awesome. Follow me on social and you'll be able to see how this mask works out. Maybe I'll even put it on my Instagram story. And have you guys tried the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo? Because I'm really excited about it, and it might end up replacing what I normally use. So that's like, could be life-changing. But like it could be, I don't know, it could be life-changing, who knows, right? Whatever we got. So that's the unboxing of the Influenster box, and if you wanna check out Influenster, you can just go ahead and download the app, influenster.com. I'll put it in the description box, and maybe you'll get a box of free products as well to just try out and review and see what you think about them. Everyone gets different stuff because it's based off of your profile and how you review items, what you say you like, what you have in your life in regards to, are you a parent, are you single, do you have a pet, do you have a dog, do you have a cat, do you wear makeup, do you not wear makeup? They have stuff about like financial software, like all sorts of stuff. So you can go ahead and pick out the things that you want to try out and they will hook you up, which is awesome. So thank you, Influenster.com, for all my products, and I'll be posting about them on my Instagram, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys if you've stuck around for watching this, because I know it's different than what I normally do on my channel, but I was so excited about it because a lot of the things had to do with just self-care and beauty and skin and all those things anyway that I know. And for those of you following me because of keto, it is important for me not only to be healthy on the inside, but be healthy on the outside, and working on that whole like self-care business that we're all going after, right? So it's important. If you've liked this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because hello, that would be amazing, and hit the bell so you get notifications of all new content that's coming out. I promise I won't be changing it up too much, but I did want to do this and put it out there on my channel because you never know what everybody's into right now, and who knows, I mean, this dry shampoo really, it might be life-changing. I'm really excited about it. So until next time, until the next video, peace, love you guys.